In this video, you will learn how to subtract percentage to a number in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have 3 column data. First column shows the starting price, second one shows the percent decrease, and third one shows the end price. For example, starting price was 180, then there was a 50% decrease in value, and the final price is 90 rupees. So let's learn how to subtract percentage to a number in Microsoft Excel. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Firstly, I will select the cell where I am interested to display the result. I will select this cell. After selecting this cell, simply put equal sign. Select starting price. After that, type minus sign, parenthesis. Then again select the starting price, multiply by percentage. This one is the percentage. After that, close the parenthesis. I will repeat this again. Put equal sign. Then select starting price minus parenthesis. Again starting price, multiply by this decrease. After that, close the parenthesis and press enter key. Now you can see here this is the end price. This was the starting price and there was a 50% decrease in this price and the final price is 90. Now you don't need to apply this formula for individual rows. Simply select this cell where you have already applied the formula. Place your cursor at the corner. When plus sign appears, drag it down to apply this formula for remaining rows. Now you can observe that we have successfully subtracted percentage from these numbers in Microsoft Excel. You don't need to apply the formula on individual rows. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.